Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to show completed tasks in ClickUp. This is very simple and straightforward, so bear with me. First thing you will have to do is to complete the task. So if you did already, then go over here to closed. As you can see, this button, and you can quickly show closed task. So click on it. You can choose to show only tasks or also subtasks. So choose this if you want the subtasks to show as well. As you can see now up here, it showed me completed tasks, which are basically the closed tasks. So I don't know why they have it like this. This is closed and this is complete, but it makes no difference because it is the same thing. But it's okay. If you want to close it and don't show the completed task as first, just click on this X button right here. So this is it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.